Hi guys, Megan Ambroch here, founder of sh.cosmetics, celebrity makeup artist and licensed esthetician. And I'm here to share with you my tips, tricks, and secrets for beauty. Today we're going to talk about how to do mask makeup. Right now everybody is wearing their masks, they're getting clogged pores, breakouts, and they all want that to not happen. And also want to do really fast, quick makeup application. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And also, we're going to be using all these products that are not going to clog the pores and they're not going to transfer over onto your mask. There's nothing grosser than that, a dirty mask. So let's start with, since my face is already done, I'm going to remove one side for you. Okay, there we go. Fresh skin over here. So first, after your moisturizer and your eye cream, you're going to go with either a tinted moisturizer or the Flawless Complexion Gel. Either one of these are great because they're going to provide a light coverage, but they're not going to clog your pores and they're not going to transfer onto your mask, and they're going to last. So if I'm going to have a lazy day, then I go with the tinted moisturizer, because then, you know, instead of applying my moisturizer, I'm just going to throw this on. So today I'm feeling a little bit lazy, so let's do it up. So what you're going to do is just take a little bit of the tinted moisturizer, and then you're going to just apply that on the face. This gives the skin a really nice glow. Just apply that over there. Yeah. Really nice, pretty glow to the skin, but it also evens out the complexion a bit. This is also fantastic year-long too, but I do like it in the summer too, because it does provide that SPF as well. Next, we're going to go with the concealer. I'm using the sh.cosmetics Mineral Concealer, and that we're just going to put, you know, your eyes, anywhere you have a little redness. I like to use it on my lids too as a little base, because right now I'm doing really quick makeup, really simple. The least amount of steps, the best. One of my friends is a doctor. She said to me that she has literally less than 5 minutes to do her makeup. So we did a little tutorial on how to do mask makeup, 5 minutes or less. And I was like, you know what? I need to do a video on that to share with everyone. So here we are. So next, what I'm gonna do after that concealer is we're gonna move on to the eyes. So let's do our eyebrows. I'm just using the Mineral Brow Pencil. And I like to brush down the brow so you can see the natural line a little bit better. And then you're just gonna fill that in right there. Brush it back up, set it in place, good to go. I like to use something simple and easy. This Duo Mineral Shadow are amazing. Come in 2 shades. I'm using the matte browns. It's matte brown and matte nude. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the lightest shade and I'm just gonna apply that all over. And then I'm gonna take the darker brown shade and I'm just gonna put that right there in the crease. And then right in the corner. There you have it. Nice, simple, and easy. Then I'm gonna go with the Precision Liner. So today I'm just gonna do a nice little line on the top. And what I like to do is just take short little strokes. And that's it. From right there where your eyeball starts, sorry, this part of your eye starts, and move that over at the end. That's it. And then you might want to put a little bit of shadow on the bottom as well, using the darker shade. You can do that as well. Let me see, let me just blend these out a little bit here. Match them up. There you go. There you go for the eyes. And then a little bit of mascara and you're done. What I'm doing here is I'm taking the Mineral Highlight Bronzer. I'm just moving that around underneath. Right here in your cheeks, up and around where the sun naturally hits the face, and add a little chiseled jaw. Then this gorgeous Coral Mist shade. Smile, place that on, and just drag it on out. There we go. Now what I like to do is just dab a little bit on the lips, because you don't want that to, you don't want a heavy lipstick or anything to transfer over to your mask. So just like to add a little bit there. I also like to put a little bit of gloss on. My Mint Kiss gloss. Oh, such a pretty shade, a neutral shade that is fantastic for every skin tone. And just dab a little bit of that on. What I love about this is it has the mint extract, so it smells amazing, especially when you have that mask covering your face. You want to smell something nice and refreshing. Well, this is it. And again, that's not gonna, you know, get all yucky on your mask. So that is it for our little tutorial on mask makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it 2 thumbs up. Please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please write them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching, and please stay safe. Bye.